how to use a treadmill properly. Let's talk about that. As you can see, there is a big line of treadmills behind me at the gym. And believe you me when I tell you, I see atrocities occur on these machines all the time on a daily basis. In this video, I'm going to set the record straight on how to use one correctly, properly, safely, and most beneficially to get you in the best shape you possibly can. But before I get there, make sure to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and make sure to hit that little yellow indicator button to get notified every time I release a video. Here we are on my favorite treadmill in the whole entire gym. This is called the Curve by the Woodweight Company, and it is manually operated. So it is green, number one, so it helps preserve the environment. And I would highly suggest you try to find something like that in your gym. And secondly, it has a built-in curve to it like this. So you're at a little bit of an incline and you're gonna burn more calories on this than an average treadmill that is pneumatic because you have to actually operate it and you're at a curve as well. But that doesn't necessarily constitute using bad form on this machine either. You don't wanna use bad form on any treadmill you're on, especially those pneumatic ones. So here's the deal. Here's what I see a lot of. I see people on their treadmill, that's totally fine, great. You wanna read something? I'm all for it. Put your book up here, put your magazine, whatever it is, and read your ass off, I don't care. Because a lot of people look down people's noses that read, I don't. If that's gonna get you in the gym, do it. Read your life away, and it helps pass time as well. And also, take your phone and set it up somewhere and watch a movie on it or watch something on there. Watch my videos actually, my YouTube channel, while you're on your treadmill. It passes the time and it works very, very beneficially. Now, here's the problem I see. I see this, I see this, I even see this. And then I see this. What the heck is this? Why even be on this stupid thing? Then the worst egregious error of them all is this one. And then I even see this. Handrails are here for one reason and one reason only. It's to get on and off the machine. You finish up, put your hands on it, and you get off, okay? Once you get on the machine, take your hands off the handrails and keep them off and never put them back. And if I ever see you do it, I'm gonna get a yardstick, I'm gonna slap your wrists. Never put your hands on the handrails. Form, nice and tall. You don't wanna be hunched forward. You don't wanna be rounded like this. You don't wanna be looking downward. Look straight ahead or look up at a slight angle like this when you're on a treadmill. I'm up and puffing already because I'm trying to talk and work at the same time. Handrails are there for decorations, in my opinion, only to get on and off and in emergency situations. Otherwise, don't use them at all. Now, your foot strike is very important. Always land with a forefoot strike like this, with your toes landing first, heel landing last. Do not go like this with a heel strike when you're running, ever. Don't do it walking, don't do it running, especially on a treadmill. Even though this might be softer than a surface outside, it still creates a lot of impact on your joints when you land with a heel strike. We don't want to do that. Forefoot strike or midfoot strike. Watch some of my videos on barefoot running, I talk all about it in there. When you're actually running or jogging, nice smooth flow with the arms in conjunction with your feet moving at the same time. Again, nice and tall, look straight ahead or up at a slight angle, and just breathe comfortably, diaphragmatically. Don't be choppy with anything you do. Nice, smooth, flowing movements. And keep your hands relatively close to your body like this, not flailing out like this, like some kind of ancient dinosaur or something. This helps with your gait mechanics and allows you to go nice and smooth. Okay, last thing. This is a sound issue. I'm sometimes down on the floor training people, and all of a sudden I hear this big, loud clippity, cloppity, clippity, clop. You don't want your foot to be smashing down like this when you're running. So you don't want to be doing this when you're running, ever. Nice and smooth, like a flowing gazelle. That is the ticket when you're on a treadmill. Last thing I want to address is always have a towel next to you and have water next to you as well. You don't need to be drinking water when you're sprinting, obviously. But when you come down into a low point like this, take a sip of water and always stay hydrated. Have the towel here to wipe sweat off your brow. You do not want to get sweat in your eye when you're on a treadmill because it will burn like a son of a gun and it's going to cause problems with your workout. You never want that to happen. So there we go. Use the handrails for decorations, be up nice and tall, land on a forefoot strike, look straight ahead, move in a nice flowing, graceful motion, and don't clippity clop your feet on the bottom part of the treadmill as well. Congratulations, you just learned how to use a treadmill properly. Now you can walk into the gym with confidence and you can school everybody else around you who are amateurs, and you're gonna be the pro and you're gonna use that treadmill like a champ. This is Kevin David Rail reporting live. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Like and share this video. Make sure to share it to all your friends and family members, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until next time.